How to use the massage chair R8089 Pro using the touchscreen. For your comfort, before you begin, 1. Please sit properly in the chair to ensure an accurate body scan. 2. If the massage intensity feels too strong, you may use a cushion for added comfort. 3. The removable headrest can also be used as padding if needed. Power on. The massage chair will automatically perform a body scan. Note: after the scanning is done, adjust the massage roller up or down manually to fit your shoulder in the correct position, then confirm to continue. 3 operation methods. 1. Auto mode. 2. Manual mode. 3. Airbag only mode. Method 1. Automatic mode. Custom settings. Tap Auto Short on the LCD controller, or enter the menu and select Auto. Let's take Master mode as an example. Select Master mode. Available settings in auto mode. Backrest angle. Footrest angle. Leg extension. Zero gravity. Foot roller on or off and intensity. Off. Intensity 1. Intensity 2. Intensity 3. Off. Heating. Heating on. Airbag intensity. Massage duration. For comfort and safety, massage sessions are recommended not to exceed 30 minutes. Notes on auto mode. 1. In stretch mode, the following settings cannot be adjusted: zero gravity, airbag intensity, backrest angle, footrest angle, and leg extension. 2. In sleep mode, the following settings cannot be adjusted: backrest and footrest angles, zero gravity, and leg extension. Auto massage programs are preset. Adjusting airbag position settings will switch the chair to airbag only mode. Method 2. Use manual mode plus custom settings. Tap the manual shortcut on the LCD controller, or enter the menu and select manual. Kneading. Clapping. Knocking. Tapping. Shiatsu. Rolling. Start running manual mode. Let's take clapping technique as an example. Select clapping technique. Available settings in manual mode. Back roller position. Choose the 3 patterns below to set the motion range of the mechanism moving along the SL track. But what are the differences between these 3 patterns? Whole pattern, the mech moves from the top to the end of the SL track repeatedly. Partial pattern, the mech takes a specific point as an axis and moves within a small range along the SL. Spot pattern, the mech works only at a certain point along the SL until you move it away. Note that in any of these 3 patterns, you can move the mech to a desired point along the SL by long pressing the mechanism position adjustment buttons. Massage width. Medium. Widest. Narrow. Please note, kneading and knocking techniques do not support width adjustment. Massage intensity. Backrest angle. Footrest angle. Leg extension. Zero gravity. Foot roller intensity. Off. Intensity 1. Intensity 2. Intensity 3. Off. Heating. Heating on. Airbag position. Airbag intensity. Massage duration. For comfort and safety, massage sessions are recommended not to exceed 30 minutes. Method 3. Airbag only mode. Enter any auto mode first, then tap airbag shortcut on the LCD controller to switch to airbag only massage. Please note, airbag only mode can only be activated via auto mode, since it will be forced to combine with other massage features working together in manual mode. Available settings in airbag only mode. Airbag position. Airbag intensity. Massage duration. For comfort and safety, massage sessions are recommended not to exceed 30 minutes. Settings. Massage duration. Bluetooth. Language. LED ambience light. Oxygen-in. Recliner experience. After powering on, adjust the backrest and footrest angles to your preferred position, then pause the massage and enjoy the chair as a recliner, perfect for watching TV or resting. More features and experiences will be explored together with you. Need help? If you need assistance, please send your order ID to support@EasPearl.com. Support is available 12 hours a day, 365 days a year.